Hello guys, welcome to FETS superscalper installation procedure. When you get your files, you have two indicators and an EA. So you come to your MT4, you go to your file, then you go to open data folder, then you go to MQ4 indicators, then you copy FETS version 5.0 and FETS trend into this particular indicator folder. Okay, now after you are done, you go back to copy the EA or the FETS superscalper. So you come back to open data folder, MQL4, then you go to experts, and then you paste FETS superscalper here. You close it and then you restart your MT4. After the restart is done, you can now load the 5 selected assets, which include 4 currency pairs and gold, and change the time frame to 50 minutes chart. And then you have to enable your auto trading. Make sure that the color here is green. Then you come back to start adding your superscalper. The first pair is AUD/CAD. AUD/CAD, you come to the navigator panel and you can see indicators and experts. Okay, mostly it's like this. If you click on it, it's going to give you a drop down. Then you can add superscalper. So you right click on it, you go to attach to, then you come to the input. Now with the input, here is the starting time of the indicator of the automated system. What we're trying to do is that we are trying to make sure that the robot starts trading at the early London section and closes at the close of the New York section. This is because we are going to deal in scalping. We need high volatility to make some good profit, and market session, initial session, is not as much volatile as that of the London and New York. So depending on your breaker time, you calculate to see your breaker time, and then you put the time where it's going to be the London open of your breaker. Okay, so you put the start time here. I'm using hot Forex, and hot Forex, the London open session for market and that of the breaker, the difference, if I put 9 here, it's going to start working at 6 a.m. London time, and that is when it's going to start picking up signals. And I put 20 here, and it's going to close at the close of the New York section. Okay, so you leave this one constant, or you leave it as default. Now the fixed stop loss is 30 pips. So you come here, you put 3 here, and then you go back to delete the 2. And for AUD/CAD, the fixed TP is 40 pips. You set the filter to false. We don't want to use filter in the scalping. Then your profit factor could be 2.0, and the swing 5. The lot size is the lot size you're going to trade with, so I'm going to trade with 0.1. I put it in here, and then the risk, you leave it. And then partial closure, the partial closure, if you enable the partial closure, it's going to close half of the position when the TP of 40 pips is hit, and then we'll move stop loss at entry and risk the rest for more. That is should the trend continue. Then we come to trail. We are not going to trail in the scalping, and then all others, leave them as default. Then you can attach the E. You go to OK. If you go to OK, you can see superscalper Diacon smiling, and that's it. You are ready to go. Okay, all right, thank you very much for watching, and I hope if you have any problem you can contact me. Thank you.